In this video, I am going to show you how to recover crypto sent to wrong address on KuCoin. If you encounter issues with your crypto deposits on KuCoin, you can submit a self-recovery request to retrieve your lost assets. And here's how. 1. Access your KuCoin using your credentials. Proceed to the Help Center section. Choose the option labeled Didn't receive crypto deposits from the Help Center. You will be prompted to provide the following details: deposit network, amount, TX ID, return address, and email. Verify the information you provided and then click Next to proceed. After submitting your request, you can track its progress and status by clicking on View Request History. If your request is reviewed and accepted, you will need to pay the required fees for the recovery service. Ensure that the funding account has a balance more than $80, which is the estimated fee, and click on the Pay Fees button to initiate the payment process. And then they will initiate the recovery process and your lost assets will be returned to the specified address within 5 business days. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.